Before you skip this video, watch till the end, because these cycling gadgets are so smart and useful that they could completely change how you ride every day. Today we're counting down 25 shockingly awesome cycling gadgets on Amazon designed to boost safety, comfort, and performance. From futuristic bike tech to clever everyday accessories, each item brings real value for riders of all levels. Stick around till the end. You won't believe the final gadget on this list. Number 1. AUXITO electric bike pump. Flat tires can instantly ruin a ride, especially when you're far from help or in a hurry. AUXITO electric bike pump provides fast and effortless inflation with an automatic pressure control system that makes tire maintenance simple and stress-free. Compact design allows easy carrying in a backpack or mounting on a bike frame without adding bulk. Digital display helps ensure accurate pressure levels for safer riding performance. For cyclists, smart inflation tools like this improve convenience, reduce downtime, and make every ride more reliable. Number 2. LEICHTEN kickstand for kids' bike. Young riders often struggle with unstable parking, causing bikes to fall and get damaged easily. LEICHTEN kickstand for kids' bike provides a stable support system designed to keep bicycles upright on different surfaces. Adjustable structure ensures proper fit for various kids' bike sizes while maintaining balance on pavement or rough ground. Durable build supports daily use without bending or slipping. For family cycling, stability upgrades like this improve safety, protect bikes, and build rider confidence. Number 3. Honszex scooter lock. Bike and scooter theft can happen quickly when security is not strong enough. Honszex scooter lock provides a reinforced locking system designed to secure bicycles and scooters in public spaces. Heavy-duty construction helps resist cutting and tampering, offering stronger protection during parking. Portable design makes it easy to carry during rides without inconvenience. For urban riders, security accessories like this improve peace of mind, protect investments, and enhance everyday travel safety. Number 4. PidZoom bike helmet mirror. Rear visibility is often limited for cyclists, especially in busy traffic or narrow roads. PidZoom bike helmet mirror provides a simple solution that improves awareness of surroundings without turning the head constantly. Adjustable mirror positioning ensures clear rear view while maintaining riding focus. Lightweight design attaches easily to helmets without causing discomfort during long rides. For road safety, visibility tools like this improve awareness, reduce risks, and enhance riding confidence. Number 5. TINANA LED bike wheel lights. Night riding becomes safer and more visually striking when visibility is enhanced from every angle. TINANA LED bike wheel lights provide bright illumination that improves side visibility for passing traffic. Colorful LED patterns increase bike presence on roads while adding a stylish effect during night rides. Easy installation allows quick setup on most wheel types. For nighttime cycling, lighting upgrades like this improve safety, enhance visibility, and make rides more exciting. Number 6. Alritz bike brake pad set. Braking performance plays a major role in rider safety, especially during sudden stops or downhill rides. Alritz bike brake pad set provides reliable stopping power designed for smooth and controlled braking. Wear-resistant material ensures longer lifespan while maintaining consistent performance in different weather conditions. Easy installation makes replacement simple for most bicycle types. For cycling safety, brake upgrades like this improve control, enhance confidence, and reduce accident risk. Number 7. TENSOR tool bicycle tire levers. Changing a flat tire can be frustrating without the right tools, especially during roadside repairs. TENSOR tool bicycle tire levers provide a simple solution designed for quick and safe tire removal. Strong yet lightweight construction prevents damage to rims while making tire changes faster and easier. Compact size allows easy storage in repair kits or bags. For cycling maintenance, repair tools like this improve convenience, reduce effort, and support quick roadside fixes. Number 8. GIYO small bike tire pump. Low tire pressure can reduce speed, control, and overall riding efficiency during cycling trips. GIYO small bike tire pump provides a portable inflation solution designed for emergency and daily use. Compact build allows easy carrying while still delivering effective air pressure for most bicycle tires. Ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during pumping. For cyclists, portable maintenance tools like this improve reliability, support performance, and reduce ride interruptions. Number 9. Feedback ultralight bike repair stand. Bike maintenance becomes difficult when there is no stable support for repairs or cleaning. Feedback ultralight bike repair stand provides a secure holding system designed for easy bicycle servicing. Lightweight yet strong structure allows stable bike positioning during adjustments. cleaning or repairs. Foldable design makes storage and transport convenient for riders. For cycling maintenance, repair stands like this improve efficiency, enhance safety, and simplify bike care routines. Number 10. Lunies Folding Bicycle Basket. Carrying essentials during rides becomes challenging without proper storage solutions. Lunies Folding Bicycle Basket provides a convenient front-mounted storage system designed for lightweight items. Foldable design allows easy expansion when needed and compact storage when not in use. Durable structure supports daily riding needs such as groceries or personal items. For cycling convenience, storage accessories like this improve practicality, enhance usability, and support everyday riding tasks. Number 11. CITYWAY Bicycle Bell for AirTag. Bike security becomes more advanced when tracking technology is combined with everyday accessories. CITYWAY Bicycle Bell for AirTag provides a discreet design that helps improve bike security while maintaining a standard bell function. Hidden compartment allows AirTag placement for tracking in case of theft or loss. Loud bell sound ensures safety in traffic environments. For smart cycling protection, tracking integrated accessories like this improve security, enhance peace of mind, and support safer riding. Number 12. Zacro Bike Seat Cushion. Long rides often cause discomfort due to hard or narrow bicycle seats. Zacro Bike Seat Cushion provides added padding designed to improve riding comfort and reduce pressure. Soft cushioning helps absorb shocks from uneven roads, making rides smoother and less tiring. Universal design fits most bicycle seats easily without complex installation. For cycling comfort, seat upgrades like this improve endurance, enhance riding experience, and support longer, more enjoyable rides. Number 13. UPPEL Bluetooth Speaker Bicycle. Riding becomes more enjoyable when music or audio adds motivation during long routes. UPPEL Bluetooth Speaker Bicycle provides a compact sound system designed specifically for mounting on handlebars. Water-resistant design ensures stable performance during outdoor rides in different weather conditions. Strong mounting system keeps the speaker secure even on rough roads and bumpy terrain. For cycling entertainment, audio accessories like this improve ride experience, enhance motivation, and make long journeys more enjoyable. Number 14. Redcomets Bike Handlebar Extension. Handlebar space often feels limited when multiple accessories like lights, phones, and cameras are used together. Redcomets Bike Handlebar Extension provides extra mounting space to solve this problem. Durable aluminum construction ensures stability while supporting multiple attachments without shaking during rides. Adjustable design fits most bicycle handlebars easily. For cycling setup customization, handlebar extensions like this improve organization, increase functionality, and support a cleaner riding layout. Number 15. GPMTER Bike Handlebar Grips. Long rides often cause hand fatigue when grips lack comfort and proper support. GPMTER Bike Handlebar Grips provide ergonomic cushioning designed to reduce pressure on hands and wrists. Anti-slip surface ensures better control during wet or rough riding conditions. Durable material supports long-term use without wearing out quickly. For cycling comfort, upgraded grips like this improve control, reduce fatigue, and enhance overall riding stability. Number 16. BUCKLOS Mountain Bike Pedals. Pedals play a major role in power transfer and riding efficiency during cycling. BUCKLOS mountain bike pedals provide a strong grip platform designed for better foot stability. Anti-slip surface improves control during steep climbs or fast rides, while durable build ensures long-lasting performance. Lightweight design helps maintain smooth pedaling motion. For cycling performance, pedal upgrades like this improve power efficiency, enhance control, and support better riding experience. Number 17. Rhinowalk Bike Handlebar Bag. Carrying essentials during rides becomes easier when storage is directly accessible from the handlebar. Rhinowalk Bike Handlebar Bag provides compact storage designed for tools, phones, and daily items. Water-resistant material helps protect contents from rain and dust during outdoor rides. Secure mounting system ensures stability even on uneven roads. For cycling convenience, handlebar storage solutions like this improve accessibility, enhance organization, and support longer rides. Number 18. OutdoorMaster Cycling Helmet. Safety becomes essential during every ride, especially in traffic or high-speed cycling conditions. OutdoorMaster Cycling Helmet provides protective head coverage designed for impact resistance and rider safety. Ventilation system helps maintain airflow, keeping riders cool during long rides. Adjustable straps ensure a secure and comfortable fit for different head sizes. For cycling safety, helmet upgrades like this improve protection, enhance comfort, and increase riding confidence. Number 19. DARKBEAM Bike Tail Light Smart. Night visibility is critical for safe cycling on roads with traffic or low lighting conditions. DARKBEAM Bike Tail Light Smart provides bright illumination designed to increase rear visibility. Smart lighting modes adjust brightness based on environment, improving safety during different riding situations. Rechargeable design ensures long-term usability without frequent battery changes. For cycling safety, smart lighting systems like this improve visibility, enhance awareness, and reduce accident risk. Number 20. ROCKBROS Bicycle Phone Front Frame Bag. Navigation becomes easier when the phone is visible and protected during rides. ROCKBROS Bicycle Phone Front Frame Bag provides a mounted storage solution designed for smartphones and essentials. Touch-friendly transparent cover allows phone use without removing it from the bag. Waterproof design protects devices from rain and dust during outdoor rides. For cycling convenience, phone mount storage like this improves navigation, enhances accessibility, and supports safer riding. Number 21. Szblnsm Bike Cover. Outdoor parking exposes bicycles to dust, rain, and sun damage over time. Szblnsm Bike Cover provides full-body protection designed to shield bikes from environmental elements. Waterproof material helps prevent rust and fading while maintaining bike condition during storage. Lightweight design allows easy covering and removal. For bike maintenance, protective covers like this improve durability, reduce wear, and extend bicycle lifespan. Number 20. CYCPLUS GPS Wireless. Tracking performance becomes easier when real-time data is available during rides. CYCPLUS GPS wireless bike computer provides cycling metrics such as speed, distance, and navigation support. Wireless design reduces cable clutter while improving installation convenience. Clear display ensures easy readability even during fast rides. For cycling performance, GPS devices like this improve training accuracy, enhance navigation, and support better ride planning. Number 23. Viccux Bike Headlight and Tail Light. Visibility in both front and rear directions is essential for safe cycling during night rides. Viccux Bike Headlight and Tail Light provides a dual lighting system designed for maximum road safety. Bright illumination ensures clear visibility to other vehicles, while multiple lighting modes adapt to different conditions. Rechargeable design supports long-term usage. For cycling safety, lighting sets like this improve visibility, enhance awareness, and reduce accident risks. Number 24. Focopot Bike Cleaning Kit. Bike performance and durability depend on proper cleaning and maintenance over time. Focopot Bike Cleaning Kit provides essential tools designed for chain, frame, and gear cleaning. Specialized brushes and cleaning solutions help remove dirt buildup efficiently without damaging components. Compact kit design makes storage and usage convenient. For bicycle maintenance, cleaning kits like this improve performance, extend lifespan, and keep bikes in optimal condition. Number 25. Avantree Portable Bluetooth Bike Speaker. Cycling becomes more enjoyable when music or audio enhances the riding experience. Avantree Portable Bluetooth Bike Speaker provides a compact sound system designed for outdoor cycling use. Strong mounting system ensures stable placement even on bumpy roads while delivering clear audio output. Water-resistant design supports different weather conditions. For cycling entertainment, Bluetooth speaker systems like this improve motivation, enhance enjoyment, and make every ride more engaging. That's a wrap on these 25 shockingly awesome cycling gadgets on Amazon. From smart safety tools to practical riding upgrades, these picks make every ride smoother, safer, and more enjoyable for all types of cyclists. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing cycling gear and Amazon finds coming your way soon.